Hey guys, welcome back to WP King, and in this video I'll show you how to install WordPress locally on your PC for free, and you don't need to have a hosting or domain name for this to work. So let's get started. For this tutorial we will use this simple software. So to get started, just click download for free. Here it will ask you for a platform. I'm using Windows, so I'll choose Windows. Now it will ask you for some details, so you just want to fill those in. And now just click get it now. I'll choose desktop and click save. Now it may take a couple of minutes to download depending on your internet connection, so I'll get back to you once it's downloaded. Once the download is finished, open it and click on run. Here you can click on next, choose your destination folder. I will leave it as default and click on install. This might take some minutes, so be patient. And as we can see, local has been successfully installed on our computers. We can leave this check mark right here and click on finish. Now it should automatically open the local software. Now once it opens, we can see we don't have any created sites, so we can click on this button, create a new site. It will ask you for a site name. I'll just type in WP King. You can check some advanced options. I will leave this as default and click on continue. Here you can choose your environment. You can do custom environment and select custom PHP version, web server and database. I will leave this on preferred and click continue. Now input your desired WordPress username and password. I'll just type in WP King, some password, and for the email I will also type in my WP King Gmail address. Once this is done, click on add site. If this pop-up comes up, just click allow access, click on yes, and we can see that the software is downloading WordPress and setting everything up for us in the background. And now we can see the site is successfully set up. We can click right here on open site and it will open up the website. We can see the domain is wpking.local. So now you can log in with your admin credentials by clicking on admin and type in your previously entered credentials, click on login. And you should be in. You can install plugins, add new themes and everything else. To stop the website from running, just click stop site. So now if we check the website, refresh it, it won't refresh, it will give us an error. So if you want to start the site again, just click this start site button. And now the website should be up and running. You can create multiple sites like this one by clicking on this plus button, add a local site. And I believe you can add unlimited sites. Now if you want to transfer this site to your hosting, you can check out my video that's showing right now on the screen, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.